job listening while our guest speakers talked, and now you need to listen while I talk to your families. Okay, voices stay off just a little bit longer. Welcome to our first grade music concert. I know many of you by now, but if you haven't met me or I haven't met you, my name is Pam Paletto. I'm the music teacher here at Stevenson. This is my 3rd year, and I absolutely love teaching music here because your children sing beautifully. So we're excited to share with you tonight what they know. We're going to start with our welcome song, and our welcome song we do twice, once with our voices, and the second time in American Sign Language. In music class recently, we've been working on performance behavior. So standing with your toes facing the director, hands at your sides, eyes watching carefully, and then singing with your best singing voice. It's not a yelling voice, it's a nice big voice. I think you just heard a great example of that in that song. Our next song celebrates spring. It's called Open the Window.